Hello, and welcome to this short video where I'll be showing you what's new in the online asset management solution Hector. We'll be focusing on the assets features that have been added. The first thing I want to show you guys is if you navigate to the category section, we're going to need two specific categories. A category that contains the lot size and a category that contains asset kits. And what I want to show you guys is that we can now add assets with lot sizes inside a kit as a component. So to demonstrate this, we're going to go onto the IT kit category and we're going to select any of the assets that we have here. The goal is to add 10 cables to a kit that already has a computer and a keyboard. So let's hop on over to the component section because this is where I'll show you guys how we add lot sizes to kits. We see now that we have two components, and what we'll be doing is we'll be adding an asset by searching for it by a specific part. So I'm going to select my cable and I'll see that I have 500 in inventory, and I'll add 10 cables from this stack of 500 directly to my kit. So imagine I had a suitcase with a computer inside, I had a keyboard, and now I'm putting my 10 cables inside the suitcase. And if I go in and save and view, we'll see now that my asset kit has those 10 specific cables. So either when it's assigned to an employee or it goes out as part of a loaner, those cables will be following this asset. Previously, we could not add lot sizes to a kit. We could only add serialized items to a kit. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you guys. The second thing that I want to show you guys is that we can, for customers with a castle plan, we can now have access to a page that is going to allow us to assign multiple assets to multiple users, places, customers, vendors, or even contacts, all within the same page. How do we do that? You'll navigate to either the inventory assets section or any of the resources that you have inside your environment, be it a user, a place, a customer, a vendor, or contact. And you'll see that within the new asset box, you'll have an option now to assign multiple assets to a specific resource. So if I hop on over to that page, what we're going to see is that we're going to be able to select a destination. So the first thing we're required to do is choose one of the different resources that we have in the database. Depending on the resource that you choose, you'll see that you can now add a list of users, either one by selecting them specifically, or you can add users belonging to a department, or you can add users belonging to a group. So for example, if I add all the users that are currently in my environment that belong to the department direction, I'll see all of my users here. And then what's really cool about this new feature is I can go out, grab each of the assets that is in my database and start to assign them one by one to the users that need them. You can use the barcode scanner here. So beep, beep, you go in, grab your asset, assign it to your employee. So this makes moving multiple assets to multiple people within the same transaction incredibly quick and incredibly visual and functional. And if I don't want to add assets to any of these users, I don't have to do anything. I can just skip them and either assign or assign and notify, which means these users will receive an email telling them that they've been assigned a new material. So I'm just going to go in and do the specific assignment, and then I can see that the assets has been assigned very quickly to those 3 employees. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I look forward to seeing you guys on future videos, and I wish you a very good day.